I've meticulously studied multiple manifestos on the failing continuity of capitalist societies, and seeing as the inevitability of its collapse seems imminent, I have vowed to use my actionable intent to usher forth and accelerate its destruction so that we, being a collective self-governing autonomy, may in essence begin to rebuild society in a new image based on communal logistical structures. Hopefully with the collapse of the United States dollar and global economy, a new form of currency, free from the plights and pitfalls of capitalist dogma, may begin to emerge and necessitate the implementation of support structures to the proletariat's struggle in daily life, effectively eliminating class warfare and easing the transition into further enhanced mobility between them. With totalitarian ideology squashed under the weight of our controlled media platforms, a purely socialist takeover is imminent, and finally we'll be able to provide free universal health education and healthcare to all, including paying off my crippling student loan debt.
Uh-oh. Masked man loud. Throw brick. Break windows. Hurt ears. Hurt eyes. Me sad. Him think he good.
What are you doing?
What if shiny stick talk for me?
You can't do that. Oh my god. He's got a gun. You can't just do that. Oh, someone call the cops. There's an extremist.